Got into the hotel. I checked in. To the right, honey. The elevator. Oh, shit. Hey, here. Speaking of coffee, they got complimentary coffee. You gotta do what? Huh? We'll go down and get it. Alright. You guys go. It's 3:22. You're not gonna move. There's no cows in Tennessee. You get to meet Bucky.
Huh?
You got to meet Bucky.
Of course you did. God forbid I wear a softball face mask, but you can be an M&M, Batman, and Bucky. Back you in.
Hey.
Okay, Santa Claus.
Okay. You have to wait for the next one. 3.
It's hard.
Well, where's he gonna go with that?
God forbid we're on a cruise together and it goes down. I'm not trying to get in the life raft with you.
I'd make room for you. You're little.
Mm-hmm.
3. Oh. 3:22.
Okay, Sam. Do your sign off. Do your sign off. That's loud. Damn. Alright, on that now.